Welcome back. This next video on electric uke playing is about Jane by Starship, or Jefferson Starship. It's a powerful, burning song that makes me think of summer nights with an AM radio. Forget about We Built This City. Playing any musical instrument isn't easy, and as you improve, you want to start looking at your uke less and less, and learning to trust your ears and hands. I've also often said that playing in time and on the beat is as important as what your fretting hand does. So our songs will now get harder, and I find the intro riff to Jane tricky. It takes time. This is what I'm doing, slowed down. The second part of the riff is very similar, and it's easier on the fingers. I'm simplifying a bit. Now, I often don't play that last note because I'm racing down the neck to play that little fill to get us into the first chord. The rest is chords, but again, work on playing in the groove. Tune your uke and let's go.